So we're just waiting on these hoods to turn up. When these hoods arrive, we'll be able to fit them in there. We're going to start cladding from this wall here, from this end. We're going to line this up from here, wrap that around, and keep going down the wall there. G'day gladiators, and today we're going to be installing this custom aluminium hood, which is going to sit over the top of this here sun lounge. What do you call this? Whatever you call that. It's like a bench. It's one of these. We're going to be putting in a hood over the top of that. So let me take you down. We're going to unpack it, bring it up here, and Peyton and I are going to put it on. Come with us and see what happens, and see the challenges we find, and process and see how we're able to achieve it. So let me take you up onto this. It's we call the left wall. This is all surf mist. So we have this sun lounge area here, which looks down into that area. And what we're putting on here is an aluminium powder coated hood, which will run down the back here, run across there, and then come straight down the front of that. Then we're going to install the surf mist matte standing seam Highland tray, 38mm rib up that wall, and then wherever you can see the blue along here, that's also going to be the same deal. So here we have the hood. It's all been wrapped up from Queensland Flashings, and Peyton's going to jump on this and film me. This nice sharp blade in here.
It should be.
That's not too bad. Got a funny curled edge.
Yeah.
Interesting one. Was that how it came?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Different. Right. Oh, that's the bottom there. Right, so this is the underside. So what we've got here is that there will run down this edge up here on the front face of there, which you can't really see, and then we'll put a little kick on the bottom of it so that it has a little drip edge to get the water away from the timbered edge. So that there is the bottom. So we'll get that, spin that round, we'll get that up into position.
Stay till the morning, tell me you want it. You know I'll go on and on, cause you're too important. I'm honest, too honest. Know if you touch me, I'm gone it. Just say the word and I'll give you all I can. Don't act like this ain't a good time. I'll be in a lifetime. It's been like this for a while. I gave you all my life. Stay till the sunrise when it's only us. Oh, let's be for real. Now you're scared to fall in love, but I want you still. I could put in all the work, I'll keep you from hurting. Baby, I'll always be here, even in 100 years. I want you still. Cause I want you still.
So we've installed the hood now. We've put it on. We've got an under flashing. Let me just show you back here. We actually have an under flashing that runs underneath there, and we've got a seal that's been pulled in. It's got double sealing underneath there. We've got 2 screws that'll go on the face of there, 2 in the face of those, and 2 up there, and then all of our sheeting is going to go on over the top of that. So that's going to look pretty cool. Let me show you what it's going to look like from underneath. Here we go. Now, the cool thing about this one, what we try to make is, we're trying to construct art, right? And so, you don't want to see a join, and from underneath here, there's no join. That is actually where the join is. That's that cover sheet. So that's a piece of Colorbond in Surf Mist matte. and so that just makes it all absolutely beautiful. It's completely sealed underneath there. It's looking amazing. All right, well, Peyton and I are going to bring the sheets up now for putting on the wall above the hood, and then we're going to take Smoko. Okay, should we go down and get Peyton? Yeah, go down and get Peyton. Should we go down and get Peyton? Come on.
If it ain't you, babe, don't wake up eyes, look in my eyes, tell me you feel the same, don't act like this ain't a good